Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to extract parts of a text string from a larger text string in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to extract the first part of the text string, like I have here in B1, the end part of this text string, like I have here in B2, and the middle part of the text string, like I have here in B3. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So in order to extract the first part of this text string, let's say I want the first 9 characters. I'm going to use a function called left. So I'm going to type equals left with a left parenthesis. And the first argument I'm being prompted for is what text string am I searching? So I'm just going to click here in A1 and then type a comma. The next argument is the number of characters. So I am looking for the first 9 characters here. So I'm going to type a 9, close my parentheses, and hit enter. And I can see that I'm being returned with the first 9 letters of this string over here in A1, which is Microsoft. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Next, I would like to extract the right side of this text string. So I'm going to use a function called right. So here in B2, I'm going to type equals right with a left parenthesis. And again, I'm going to be prompted for the text string where I'm trying to get the rightmost characters. So again, I'm going to click on A1 and then type a comma. And then how many characters do I want to get from the right? Well, this time I want to get 8. So I'm going to type in 8, close my parentheses, and hit enter. And now I can see that I'm being returned with the word workbook. And now there's one final text extraction function that we can use today, and that is called mid. So now I'm going to want to get something in the middle of my text string. So I'm going to type equals mid with a left parenthesis. And again, I'm prompted for which text string I want to search. And so I'm going to click on A1. But mid takes more arguments than the previous two. So if I type a comma, my first argument is a start number. Where do I start to want to pull something out of this string? So I know Microsoft was 9 characters, and then the space after Microsoft is going to be 10. So I actually really want to start at 11. So I'm going to type 11 and then type a comma. And then my final argument is the number of characters. Once I start at the 11 position, how many characters after that do I want to pull out? So in this case, that's going to be 5. So I'm going to close my parentheses and hit enter. And I can now see that I have pulled out a substring on the left of this string, a substring of the right of this string, and a substring from the middle of this string. Now there are a lot more ways that you can do this, and some of those ways are a little more complex than what I just went over. And we go into that out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.